How you doing? So I will give an overview of the latest um, of what was prepared in terms of the drawings for the subdivision, in terms of the access roads. So I will give an overview so you have a better idea of um, what is there to be done and the different steps. Okay, so let me start by going over the access points. So I sent you some pictures. So let me just go over the different pictures. So with the pictures, like this pictures, you can see here on top is one of the projected back roads. That's this here, which can be used to access this lot. I have to verify if it extends further that they could access this lot here. Based on my proposal, I have 5 lots. We'll go over some plus and some negatives with that. Yeah, so that's one of the access points based on the picture. The other picture shows, let me see, make sure. Okay, this is the main access. I see someone is building here because this is a land here. So I'm guessing they're not on the road, but this is the access, and then it's supposed to turn. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, so this is what we're looking at in the picture. So we're on the road, and then you have to go up and turn across. That what they're building there, I don't know if they're building it here. I hope they're not building it here, because this is the access for your land to reach this part of the land then. So you see the blue line, that's your land. And this road was projected by by Cadastre to get to your land. So what I see here, I would have to see, I'm guessing that it's on the other lot and not in the road. Yeah, I believe so, because your land is here. So yeah, so that's one picture. Okay, another section, another scene then. This is a better view of the picture. Okay, next scene. This container and this part, let me see if I could zoom in. So this part where they excavate, you would have to fill. Reason being, let me see if I could zoom in. Reason being, so your land, so that's here what you saw. So all this section have to fill, because this part of the land is like slopey, so this part would have to fill. So I'm guessing when you cut this part, the fill you throw here, and then with the container, you'll notice they have it on your land. I don't know if you guys have an agreement or what you guys have. Yeah, so the boundary line, so this shows you. I was looking at I can't put a road here to get to this lot or this lot, because then this lot is already kind of narrow in the front. So I will ask them, the other this landowner that's next to you, if they will be willing to put a road that connects to the top. So I'll ask them. But if not, then the proposal would be the following. The proposal would be to put a road here that would be able to access this lot. Yeah, and also this lot, these two lots. So again, this road, this belongs to this somebody else's land. Up here, it's projected by Vromi. It's stopping right here. I don't know if no, sorry, it stops right here. I don't know if it continues, so I have to find that out. So this is the main access that reaches the back of the land, let's say. And then when you look here, this is a section that was excavated out here. So it has a big drop from the other part of the land where the container is, and so also has a big drop. So all of this would have to be filled. So yeah, so this is a overview. Let me see if I have another picture to show. 1 second if I close. Yeah, so I think the boundary is somewhere here. So all of this stuff they would have to remove. So I don't know the best way. And then we have, once we reach that stage, I guess you can notify them. Let me see if I need, yeah. So this is the road that stops. Let me see if I could see it here. So that's here. So then you could extend that road a little bit so that whoever buys this lot or whoever have this lot can access this way. Yeah. So I think that is all the overview based on the pictures that I sent. If you have any questions, let me know. I thought this would be a good way before we have the call, or when you have the call, you have more detailed questions. So let me know. Now that I did the subdivision, I got the cost of the work that was done. So it's a lot less than the projected cost that I had in the agreement. So I would edit that. The only other cost would be the points, the stakes. So I will try to get a quote from a company that I usually use, because I'm thinking, especially for the excavator and also the other landowners there, to put stakes here and also here, seeing that someone is building somewhere there, so at least they can see there is stakes. So that is also a cost I will get a quote on. Yeah, so any questions, let me know. Bye bye.